Skip the restaurant, save the money. You can make these chicken tenders at home, just like Cracker Barrel. Come with me and I'll show you how to make them. I've got a bowl that I made earlier of a pound of chicken tenders. And they've been marinating overnight. The marinade is a half a cup of Italian dressing, 1.5 teaspoons of honey, 1 teaspoon of lime juice, a splash of balsamic vinegar, 1 pound of chicken tenders, and equal parts of salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder that I'll put on when I get them out of this marinade. They've been marinating overnight and we're fixing to cook them. You can cook them over the stove with a grill pan like this, or a non-stick pan, but we are going to do them on the grill outside. And here's my seasoning, the salt, pepper, garlic, and onion powder. I'm just gonna gently put them on chicken. I'm gonna turn them. I'm going to do the other side. Now we're going to take them outside and we're going to grill them. You can use a grill, gas grill, charcoal grill, or even 2-burner griddle pan inside. Preheat your grill over medium-high heat. Lay the chicken tenders on and let them cook about 3 to 4 minutes per side until they are golden brown. Now here's the secret. Don't overcook. Chicken tenders are done when they reach at least 165 degrees inside. That's why they stay juicy and not dry. Once they're done, take them off the heat and serve right away. They're off the grill, them grill marks, that juice. Oh my goodness, that looks so good. I hope you try these. These are delicious. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite recipe. Also in the description, there will be a recipe and a link to my website to download a printable recipe. There is a link in the description to check out my Etsy store for Aunt Sandy's Kitchen merchandise. Thank you for watching my videos, and as always, God bless.